Paragon comes with a powerful reporting tool called WeGo that allows you to track all the details that you want about your business. For example, the product profitability report will give you information such as how much profit you're making on every item per sale. On top of that, the reporting tool is extremely flexible. You can add as many columns as you want using product or transaction attributes. You can group items together based on product category, for example. You can also filter your reports to only show transactions within a specific date range, for example. As you customize the layout of your report, you will have the ability to save the format that you've created into as many report layouts as you want, and then quickly access those layouts from the drop-down button. In addition to that, by selecting a range of data on the report, you then have the ability to export all of that into different charts. You can generate grouped or stacked column charts, bar charts, pie charts, line charts, areas, histograms, and so on and so forth. You can then download those files if you want, or send them to other people within the company. In addition to that, you are also able to export those tables into Excel or CSV files to facilitate sharing the information